Hey everyone, it's been a while. Today I want to share with you my healthcare experience. So for the first time in my life, I made an individual account. I enrolled in an individual account from MaxiCare. Because for so many years, I have been very dependent with my company's provided health card. But now that I am doing some business and working more freelance, I had to enroll myself in one of the individual accounts of MaxiCare. And how did I do it? Let me share it with you in this video. First step, I asked my former student who works at the hospital so she's 100% credible. Since I kinda got sold knowing that MaxiCare has their own clinic, I went for the latter. My next step was to search for an agent online. This was the hardest step mentally because we all know that the world is full of scammers now. I kept on searching and finally I came across Miss Melissa Gacotan on FB. The first green flag for me is that she has her reviews option on and that a lot of clients highly recommend her. But of course, that did not convince me easily. I then went to the main website of MaxiCare to check on their list of agents. Once I saw her name, I sent her a private message. She immediately asked me what I was looking for, sent me plan options for my age, and then scheduled for a Zoom meet. Now I am enjoying MaxiCare's benefits. In fact, I was really amazed at how fast, reliable, and smooth my visit was in their Alabang clinic. I definitely get this health plan yearly versus my online store shopping of once. So yes, this has been one of the best investments I have ever made, and I would recommend for you to save up some money to also get one of their individual plans. Till next time, this is Angel of Random Honest Reviews. Remember that I'm only here to help you with your purchase decisions. In the end, it's going to be your choice, your call. See you in the next video.